Hello and happy Thursday. Welcome to all things DMV that I'm bringing to you today. So, just trying to keep everyone apprised of what is happening out there in the DMV world. If you have an occupational licensing, then you need to know that to do your renewal, it is now done online. So, since I get this question a lot, as one of the DMV vendors who offer continuing education, I thought I would bring this information to you. One, show you how very simple and easy they have made it. And this will also be the place where you will upload your certification, pay your renewal fees, and things of that nature. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. And we're just really going to just go through the video and how to make this process very effortlessly, right? Very, very simple. All right, so here we go.
Welcome to Occupational Licensing Online. This tutorial is for existing license holders to apply for, renew, and update an occupational license or licenses online.
So as you can see here, there's 3 ways in which you can utilize this option right here online, okay? So that can help you with updating your address, again, doing your renewal, one-stop shop right here online.
If you're an existing occupational license holder, go to DMV.ca.gov/OL online and select Start.
I will also provide the link of this URL, DMV site, occupational licensing login, in the link below as well, just in case you miss it or you need to go back, and you don't have to go back to relook at it.
Next, select Yes, I have a current or past license, permit, or agreement. Select the type of occupational license you would like to access, then whether you have a California-issued driver's license or identification card. When finished, select Start. It's a good idea to have a copy of your occupational license approval letter handy.
Now, the reason why you want to have this letter available, the system and the DMV are very specific. So if one thing is off or wrong when inputting this information online, one frustration that many of my students run into is that it says, well, we have no record of you, or when I'm inputting it, it gets kicked back because either the middle name was left out or the last name is added or missing something. So the reason why they mention the letter, and for some of you that have been in the industry for, very, very long time, potentially might not have the letter, although it should look exactly like your license. The letter and the license should definitely match up. But the main point here is to make sure you input the information exactly as it appears, because that's how it's going to use those characteristics to recognize you. All right.
Just in case you need to reference information about your license, you'll need to provide the following information to access your occupational license online account. You'll need your Social Security number, date of birth, and driver's license number, and both should match what you see on your driver's license. Occupational license number. If you've selected individual on the prior screen, enter your individual occupational license number. If you selected business, then provide your firm's occupational license number. You must use the same email address associated with your current MyDMV account, or create a new MyDMV account using this email address.
Another reason why the email is important, and making sure that you use the same one. And please double look to make sure there's no typos. I have a lot of people send me something and said they haven't gotten the confirmation, or they've been waiting. When I screenshot and send it back, the email address is incorrect. And so then therefore it goes nowhere. And so the rest of this is pretty straightforward and simple. I'm just stopping to point out some of the most common mistakes I see people having when they're going through this process.
Make sure your last name matches what appears on your driver's license. Then perform the reCAPTCHA task and select Submit. You'll receive an email from DMV Online Services to complete the validation. Make sure that you check your spam and/or junk folders for that email. Click the login link in the email to log into your MyDMV account to finish setting it up. You'll use your MyDMV account to log in and access occupational licensing online. You must use the same email address that you provide for the occupational license identity validation process. If you already have a MyDMV account associated with the email you're using with the occupational license, then log in now. If you don't have a MyDMV account, create one for the email that you're using. After you log into or create your MyDMV account, you'll be directed to the Occupational Licensing online portal. There are two ways to navigate the online portal. First, the My Licenses link at the top will take you to your licenses. Second, the My Licenses widget on your dashboard can also be used. When you have a moment, click through the dashboard widgets to see all of the features available in the new Occupational Licensing online portal. You can always return by visiting or bookmarking DMV.ca.gov/OL online and logging in. Welcome to Occupational Licensing Online.
All right, fantastic. See, very simple, very easy, and quick and straightforward. So thank you. Check out my website below in the link for any of your educational needs. Send me any questions that you have. Subscribe and like, and see you next week. Thank you.